In this video, I'll show you how you can hide activity on LinkedIn. So it's very simple. For example, if you don't want anyone to see if you are active or not on LinkedIn, here's what you can do. Go to your profile, then choose Settings and Privacy. Now on the left side, click on Visibility. Then scroll all the way down until you see visibility of your LinkedIn activity. From here, you can set all these options. So click on Manage Active Status. This is most important one. So click on it. And from here, as you can see, who can see that you are currently active while you are using LinkedIn. So if you choose no one will see if you're active on LinkedIn, or you can choose your connections only or all LinkedIn members. Then what you can do is go back and you can share job changes, educations, and work anniversaries from profile. So you can turn this off also. Then go back and notify connections when you are in the news. You can turn this off also. Mentioned by others, you can turn this off if you want also. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can hide your activity in LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.